In the currency quadrant, taking a look at the December British pound futures, which continues to rally despite a negative change on the day today. The high today was 135.84, which was only up 0.01%. And the low today was 135.26, which was down 0.41%. But as we come into the close of the future session, the British pound futures have rallied back to very near unchanged. Hence the logic that the rally has basically continued. Since the cycle low on September 3rd, the British pound is now up 1.71%. And since the swing low on August 1st, the British pound is up 3.16%. Weak economic data released this morning likely helped the British pound drop to its lows this morning. July's month-over-month industrial production was expected to remain unchanged, but it came in down at 0.9% from the previous month of up 0.7%. And the month-over-month manufacturing production came in down minus 1.3% versus expectations of up 0.1% and a last print of up 0.5%. This is likely part of the reason that the British pound fell to its lows early, and the rally back most likely has to do with the expectation for the Bank of England's rate meeting next week. Tuesday of next week, the Bank of England is meeting to decide if it should cut rates or not, and the markets expect it to hold rates the same. Given the backdrop of the U.S. Federal Reserve and its recent dovish turn, with the markets expecting 25 basis points at the next week FOMC meeting, this is likely why the British pound continues to rally, and this rally seems to have legs under it.